So in today's video, I am going to be I am going to crack my back because it really hurts. I said I'm going to be making, no I'm not. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh my god, that really hurt. Okay, so if you like this video, you want to see another video like this, then like, subscribe, and I might give you a notification for the next, or hit the bell button for a notification for when I post another video. Bye. And by the way, I have a pimple patch because I have a huge one. It's gonna erupt in any minute.